Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. It's Friday. Hopefully everybody is now watching the 5-part Get Ready With Me series that I posted today and that y'all enjoyed it. I just actually came back in from the store. I went on and got me some buffalo cheese curls, a couple bags of this, and just some little snacks. I think I'm gonna put on a movie in a little bit once I get everybody together for bed and in their pajamas. But I was just sitting here thinking, on the way back from the store, I was just thinking like, have y'all ever been so broke or needed money so bad that y'all was like looking outside for money? Like, I know I can't be the only one because I literally was looking on the ground like, oh no, maybe I could spot a $20 bill or what? Because that happens to me like from time to time. It ain't happened in a while, but from time to time I done found money on the ground in the stores, all types of stuff. So I was literally like, dang, maybe I'll just get a blessing. Like, cause random things like that happen to me all the time and I ain't find nothing, but it sure enough would have been nice. So what I'm about to do now is go ahead and make some dinner, which I'm not gonna record. I know y'all like cooking videos, but I don't feel like dealing with the camera in the kitchen right now. And I'm gonna make some dinner and then I'm gonna just try to find something once again because this is the last day of the month and I literally haven't worked for a whole 21 days. So I'm trying to figure something out. I don't know how much I could earn in 2-3 days, but I really just have my mind back on getting my car because people have given me referrals or suggestions to other driving jobs. And if I could just get out here and do something, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking like, okay, just start with something that I could do from the computer, not anything major because it's going to take time to get hired. So like some surveys. It's like a lot of little jobs you could do. Sometimes you can do them at the store, like surveys or scanning things with your phone in the store. I used to do those all the time back in the day. So I'm gonna find me something today. Instead of watching a movie, I might do that because I've been looking on and off, but it's been so many other things going on and I got so many other duties going on. I haven't really found a lot of things, and it's been a whole 3 weeks and I haven't really had luck in the places that I've been looking. And really, most of the referrals I've gotten is driving jobs. So tonight, Lord, let me find something because I need to do something with daily pay. I remember I used to get little jobs with daily pay and I don't know what those opportunities were, but I need something that could give me daily pay today, tomorrow, Sunday, and then by Monday I could go pay for something or maybe gather up the rest of the money from some folks, ask around and see what I could come up with. But I definitely want to have something more than what I got in my bag, So yeah, that's what my Friday is looking like right now. I ain't worried, but the time is coming so close. It's like, man, I need to make something happen. Then I ended up finding out about an unexpected bill that is not really a bill, but it's an unexpected charge that came up out of nowhere, really. That's now affecting me from doing something else that I'm trying to move on with doing. I can't do this thing without having this other thing, and now this payment is going to block me from getting it. So it's just like, man, I don't know what the heck going on. But I did accomplish some things today for the kids' school. Thank God I was able to, well, not today, but this week, I was able to get that done. And I'm really happy I was finally able to get the video out because that's, a source. And I'm just hoping that this weekend brings me the best that my circumstances can have at this current moment. So I'm still sitting here. The kids decide they're gonna go in the room and watch some type of like, I don't know who them people are. They like this group of people that be in like this warehouse and be doing like a bunch of fun activities or whatever. So they in there watching that, and I'm supposed to be cooking, but I'm dragging in that kitchen. I'm dragging to go in that kitchen tonight. I just finished off some laundry for Ace not too long ago. And as soon as I folded them, half the clothes got flung back around. So I just need to hang up his long sleeves, well, his little like spring jacket for when it's raining and stuff. And then I can go start the food. You know, I visualize myself with a chef in the years to come. Because I noticed that a lot of successful people, they outsource a lot of their work. Like the stuff that they got to do, like household stuff, they be having people come to do their laundry, to do their cooking, or they'll like just buy food that's prepared by like a chef and just like a meal prep thing, service or whatever. They be having people come pick up their dry cleaning, especially if they live like if they live in like a high rise or something, they be having a concierge and people to come wash their car. They be having a whole lot of stuff that they outsource so they can spend their time on creating content, putting together like their procedures in their business, hiring, building, like sales, whatever it is that they need to do or they feel like they're the best at in their business and in their content creating or whatever their business is. They be hiring people to do all the other stuff. So I'm looking forward to seeing my life reach that point very soon. Hopefully it'll be very soon. Because having to do everything by yourself is not where it's at. And I mean, for the most part, I've done a pretty good job. Ups and downs and things like that, but I've done really well. And I still look really pretty, really young, really youthful. You know, I don't look worn down and tore down from the floor down like, you know, like I'm 60 when I'm only in my 30s, you know, like, so I'm glad. You know how they say you don't look like what you've been through? Thank God that we don't look like what we've been through. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. I am in the kitchen cooking. It is so hot in here. I got my back door open in the kitchen, but I feel like that's just making it worse. So let me show y'all what I just finished making. So I just made some chicken breasts. These are seasoned with my favorite in the entire world, my orange pepper. I used some seasonal garlic powder and onion powder. That's it. When you're using this pepper, that's all you need. And you get all the flavor there is. You can use a little chicken seasoning if you want, but I don't recommend it. I just use this. So then I put on another batch of just lime pepper. So same thing. Seasonal garlic powder, onion powder, lime pepper. That's it. 4 things. That's it. All you need. Then I got those on the stove now. So I'm going to save the lime ones for dinner. And we're going to eat the orange pepper ones now for lunchtime. Because this is literally my last pack of meat. But I made this meat stretch 3 ways. Like I don't even remember what kind of chicken strips I made. Oh yeah, I think I made some chicken strips. And those was orange pepper. So I got 3 meals out of this 1 pack of chicken breasts. It was big. And what I do is I cut them vertically so they'll be like, you know, kind of like a cutlet almost, like a thin chicken breast. But they so big, they still not like really, really thin when I do that. Oh no, what I made was the chicken sandwiches. That's what I made. The chicken sandwiches that I did that shorts on with the Chick-fil-A sauce, I made that. And now I'm making chicken breast for lunch and for dinner. So I got 3 meals out of that 1 pack. But we need to get to the grocery store really, really soon because, yeah, it's a little low around here. Hey guys, it is Sunday and I have just announced on my channel in the community tab that my memberships are live. I do have some community posts that are only for members as well as some member-only videos that's already in the portal. So head on over there, y'all. Head on over there if y'all haven't already. So this particular tier is called a fun, flirty, and informative content. You're going to get so much information in here. So head on over to the membership tab, y'all, because that is the place to be, okay? That is the place to be. All right, so now I'm going to just go ahead and start doing some dishes because we're about to eat some food. All right, so it's been hours later. The kids just came in from playing outside. And I am about to get everybody all cleaned up because they went out there and made a mess with themselves, okay? Or on themselves. They play rough. Just put it like that. They play rough. So I might just walk to the store and go get us a little pizza. So that might be what I end up doing, because yeah, that makes the most sense right now. So apparently God has things that he hates. 6 things that the Lord hates, 7 that are an abomination to him: haughty eyes, a lying tongue, and hands that shed innocent blood, a heart that devises wicked plans, feet that make haste to run to evil, a false witness who breathes out lies, among one who sows discord. Oh, and one who sows discord among brothers. So yeah. So I found out to be a little interesting, and that's what I ended up coming across. And it was just a reminder to me to just make sure I keep the peace as much as I can, you know. Not that I initiate anything with anybody, but just to keep the peace. Sowing discord is whack. It makes God angry. And those are the things that he hates. So yeah, keeping the peace, that's where it's at. So I finally have gotten August's hair taken out. He fought me so hard. Like, this was the longest job ever. I'm literally exhausted at this point. And I couldn't find I got all these rat tail combs around here with the metal tips, and I can't find not one. And that would have really helped to take his hair out, because his hair is, his cornrows were kind of fine, and that would have helped so easily to get his hair out, but couldn't find not one, conveniently. And so I finally got the hair out. And he fought me so bad, but he ended up falling asleep during the process. So I was able to get like the last 3 out of his hair. So now the intention was to put them in the bath, but he's knocked out. I think I'm going to just go put Ace in there first, because I ain't take his hair out yet. So I don't know. Maybe I'll take Ace's hair out now, put Ace in the bath, and then hopefully by then August will wake up, because I know he's not going to sleep through the night, waking up this late. Going to sleep this early. Or I might just wake him up or something. I don't know, because he got to get cleaned up. They was playing way too hard. But yeah, that's what's going on. It's been a dry day. But I did get some things accomplished. So forth is like some things I'm looking into, some things I'm researching, whatever. So hopefully this week I can execute on some of those things and see how they go. I wasn't taking a picture. You want to say hi to the people?
Of course. This is your only chance.
This is my only chance? Mm-hmm. For what?
To say hi to my people.
To say hi to them people? Mm-hmm. Okay. Were you going to say hi, or what you going to do?
Say hi.
Okay, go ahead. They're watching you right now.
Okay. So I'll say.
You got to come over here.
Okay. Hi, people.
Say bye.
Bye.
All right, so it is 3:47 in the morning, and I just woke up to all this noise and commotion going on, but it was really just the sound of my laptop being played a game on at this time of morning. That was irritating as crap, because yeah, nobody should have been playing games at this time of morning. But I figured I would get back on the vlog and just end the vlog. I had planned to end the vlog with us watching a movie, but I ended up just having the kids go to bed, and I fell asleep on the sofa. So it's kind of a good thing that I woke up, though, because I had to go run and grab my scarf Tie my hair down. So now I have a dilemma where I need a total of $3,335. Out of that total, I have $100. So that brings me down to $3,235. And I need this money ASAP. I need this money as soon as possible because one of the situations is going to help me clear up some things I have on my name so I can continue to make my own money. So if anybody is willing and able to help out with that so I can keep on going and thriving and building myself up, I would definitely appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and put my my payment apps across the screen. And I might even do a community post in regards to the total the balance that I still need to be able to take care of my situation and get myself straight. The total that I need is $3,335. Of that, I have $100, which brings me down to $3,235. Whatever you're able to contribute is greatly appreciated. I do need to get this money together like today. So whoever is able to help, please do so. And may it be returned to you 100-fold. All right, so I'm going to end the vlog here. I do appreciate y'all for watching. I know this vlog was kind of basic. We were home the whole entire weekend. And yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.